Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to forward your AOL mail to Gmail account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up AOL mail app. Make sure you have already downloaded and sign in with your account. Now tap on profile icon. Before that, you need to go to inbox icon on bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now here select the mail that you want to forward. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, now select the particular mail that you want to forward. Once you tap on it, tap on more icon on bottom right corner. And now you can see forward option on this pop-up. So here tap on forward. Now in the box of two text here, type in Gmail ID to whom you wanna send message or you wanna forward. Now tap on send. Now go back. Simply tap on this icon and go back. Now tap on inbox icon and now tap on send. Make sure that you have successfully forwarded or not. Now here you can see that you have successfully forwarded the mail to Gmail account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.